I was supposed to have 3 packages to show you all today, but I only have 2 because my apartment building has a mail thief running around. So I am a package short. It was stolen. Honestly, your mother should be ashamed if you are out here stealing people's mail. If you are stealing people's mail, you are no different than a crackhead or a junkie in my eyes. It's a sharp comparison, I know, but think about it. You have this person running around in the middle of the night, stealing people's shit, and then either selling it or keeping it for themselves. If that's not crackhead energy, I don't know what is. What was supposed to be in that package was my advisory board's crystal puzzle that I recently picked up from Network. I don't know about y'all, but I'm starting to get bored in self-isolation, and I really wanted that puzzle. So out of the 2 pairs of sneakers and that puzzle that was delivered all yesterday, they went ahead and stole a $45 puzzle. I'm pretty sure whoever stole my puzzle lives in the building, so if that 1 in a million chance comes and you are watching this video and you stole my puzzle, you are a terrible thief, and I hope that you're missing a piece. What's happening, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Today I'm coming at you guys with another sneaker video. I just did the New Balance and Joe Freshgoods 992 review and on foot yesterday. If you haven't already watched that, go check it out. Those sneakers are fire. Even if you're not a New Balance fan, I guarantee that shoe is fire. Just watch the video. For today's video, I'm coming at you guys with not 1 but 2 sneakers, and both are pretty fire in my opinion, one of which I was able to pick up for $50. So that's the one we're going to start with because I personally think that that was a steal. I don't know who let that go for $50, but let's go ahead and open it up. No fancy unboxing B-roll today, but I am filming this video in 4K, so if I go in or out of focus at any point in time, cut me some slack. I'm just testing it out, seeing if I can up the quality for you. I haven't reviewed one of these on the channel yet, so today will be something new. I do have other Reeboks in the collection, but this is my first time reviewing one on the channel. It's an Allen Iverson. Go ahead and pull that back. And you can kind of see them in there. That is the yellow Answer 5. This is actually an Eric Emanuel collab for those of you who may know. The colors are being blasted out right now by the lights, but hopefully you guys can see that, and I'll toss in some B-roll as well. Fun fact, but Eric Emanuel is actually the first person to switch up the Iverson logo on a shoe. So if you look at that, I'm going to let it focus. You can see he has his EE inside of there. Yeah, he's the first person to actually get to change up the Iverson logo. It's definitely something different than what I usually show on the channel, which is why I wanted to make sure that I included it in this video, because I do cop a lot of other sneakers that just don't make it into the vids because they're a little bit more low-key, kind of if you know, you know. And this is a shoe that I really liked and I really wanted. There's also a pink version that was like super limited. This next box is a little husky, but that's alright. The sneaker model inside is a little bit heavier. I did go ahead and pick this up from StockX. It's a shoe that I missed out on, and I couldn't find anyone who had my size. So I went ahead and I pulled the trigger on StockX. For those of you who are about to come for me in the comments, I never said that I would never shop with StockX again. I just said that I would do my due diligence and see if I could find a better price anywhere else before shopping with StockX. Once I pull these out, a lot of you will already know what they are because the box definitely gives it away. There it is, that cream box with the teal Jumpman and the gold lettering. Got the StockX cards on the inside. We don't need that. I'm really excited to see these because I feel like people were sleeping on these, and I'm going to say it now. These are going to be the next Trophy Room 5s. Wait for it. A couple of years, people are going to start seeing that they missed out. So look at those laces. Like, beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and pull these out. Yeah, these look even better in person, y'all. Oh, and that suede. If you don't know what this sneaker is right here, it is the Soulfly Jordan 10, and I feel like this is pretty low-key. There wasn't a lot of hype behind these. People definitely wanted them, but I feel like if you picked them up, you wanted them for the personal, not really to resell because they're not going for crazy amounts. I was able to get these for a really good price, and that's why I kind of think these will be the next Trophy Room 5s, because when the Trophy Room 5s first came out, people wasn't feeling them, and then all of a sudden, almost overnight, them things shot up in price. Everybody wanted them. The hype was crazy. And I feel like this is going to kind of be that. Jordan 10s don't get a lot of love. Having these in hand, I can tell you right now, these go way harder than that Jordan 10 OVO. I did have those. I was able to hit on like a size 12. They didn't release in my size, so when I hit, I just let them go. When it comes to Soulfly, I think people immediately think of their Jordan 1 collabs, which are tough, don't get me wrong, and I would love to have one of those in the collection one day, but this is definitely going to be another if you know, you know. Just like those Reeboks, the Answer 5, it's a low-key shoe. People aren't immediately going to know, hey, what is that? That's like a Travis Scott, or that's the Soulfly Jordan 1, the patent leather joints. No, but if you know, you know. So that's my double unboxing. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love. When you show love to the videos, it pushes me in the algorithm and helps other people see the channel, and I will check you all out in the next one.